Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, another video about Macro Monster Ecuts. And this is part 2, and this, I said I would show a practical use or an everyday occurrence. Let's say you have this file right here and you've used it. I just drew something real quick. But it's got a lot of, you're going to run this as a combination job, and I don't know how many times I've done this before I check. And then it engraves, and then it automatically starts cutting out because there's hairlines in there. So what you can do with my Ecuts, you can select on a hairline and go right here to search and search outline width. And it's going to pick all the hairlines. So surely I know I want the outside to be a hairline, but I don't want to cut out the inside. That's just going to fall away. So the way you could correct that is like use the Alt key and swipe through here and raise those up. The Alt key, raise those up. I'm just hitting the up arrow key, the exact nudge amount. Okay, I didn't hold down the Alt key. Alt key, anything you touch with it is collected by it. You can go up or down. I'm just hitting the up arrow key. And I need to hold down the Alt key. And this would save you a lot of trouble and material and time to get rid of all those extra hairlines that you didn't know were in there. And this was just a one example I've drawn. I've had people send me files, want this engraved, and it's made up of hairlines. And it does all this engraving, and then before it starts cutting the outside, it'll mess up one of the name badges. If I'm not watching it close, it'll cut out 2 or 3 of them and waste that amount of wood. So, macromonster.com, Ecuts, pretty powerful tool. Hope that helped. Thank you.